Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dylan. Today I'm going to be doing this pink look, which is basically, like my Valentine's Day look. And I'm going to be using the Ooh La La palette from Colourpop. And look at these gorgeous pinks. This is one of my new favorite palettes ever. These shadows will stain your lids, especially, I think the one that especially stains would be with this one, but honestly I don't care. I look cute, so I hope you guys like this look. If you guys would like to see more content like this, then please subscribe to my channel. You guys can also like this video and comment down below. Follow my social medias down below as well. And if you guys would like to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So to start off the eyes, I'm going to start with what I always use, the MUAH 24 Hour Extend Eye Base. Now besides primer with a bright color like this, I usually like to go in a little bit more with the Milk Jumbo Pencil from NYX. I'm going to be going into my Ooh La La palette from Colourpop. Thank you to Riz for getting this for me. I love you, for my Christmas gift, along with some other Colourpop items. And then I'm going to be taking the shades Softcore and Poodle mixed together for the crease. I'm also going to be going into my crease with the shades Trove, I believe that's how you pronounce it, and then Caddy. I'm going to go ahead and put some concealer, carving out as like a little cut crease, but not like a full-on cut crease, just so it can intensify the pink color I'm going to put on. And I'm just going to be using my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Vanilla. Now for the lid, I'm going to be packing on the Sandbar shade, which is the pink shade. One of the brightest pinks in the palette. And pink shadows, like always, will stain your eyelids, but I don't care. Now I'm going to be intensifying with the shades Opulent, and I'm also going to add a little bit of the Big Sugar on top as well, just to give it a little bit more shimmer. I'm also going to be using a little bit of the Fix Plus. Makes it more electric. For liner, I'm going to be taking the Benefit Roller Liner. I used to be that person who would not wear liner, only on certain occasions, but now I wear liner like all the time. Like, it just feels weird. I have to have liner. So for foundation, I already put on the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion, and then the Jouer High Central Coverage, because this one I got it when I was a little bit tan from gratis, and then I have to start and mix them together. Concealer, I'm going to be taking the Colourpop No Filter Concealer, shade Light Neutral 15, and then the Light Medium Born This Way Concealer to mix. To set my under eyes, I'm going to be taking the Milk Blur Powder. For contour, I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Contour Kit. I actually just got this yesterday. It was on sale at Sephora, so for 20 bucks. I don't even need it, but I was like, I might as well try it, And then I'm going to contour first using the shade Fawn. And then to bronze, I'm going to be taking, I believe, these two shades with our Java and Havana. Under my eyes, what I usually don't do, but I'm going to try today, is just to brighten up my under eyes a little bit more with Banana. And I'm going to use all the three shades up here. Okay, first impression on the Anastasia Contour Kit. Amazing, like so pigmented, so worth the 20 bucks. I would not have gotten if it was 40 because, you know, I didn't need it, but now I have a reason to use it. For highlight, I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Dream Glow Kit, and I'm going to be taking Unicorn, which is the pink shade up here. For the brow bone, I'm going to be taking Tickled and Moonstruck for the brow bone highlight. For blush, I'm going to be taking the MAC Patrick Star from the spring collection of 2018, and it's the Take Me Home one, and it's the more pinky one. For eyeliner, I'm going to be putting some Demolition Eyeliner 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil from Urban Decay. And then I'm going to be going on my lower lash line with the Sandbar shade. To set the face, I'm going to be taking my All Nighter setting spray, and then on top I'm going to be doing my Cover FX Dewy Finish setting spray. For brow gel, I'm going to be using the Gimme Brow from Benefit in the shade number 6. For mascara, I'm going to be taking my Wet n Wild Lash Volume Max Waterproof Mascara. And then I'm going to be applying my AliExpress lashes. Who is Lily Lashes when you got AliExpress lashes? These are, the F23s are exactly like the Miamis, almost identical. So I'm going to leave a link down the bar. So final step onto lips, I'm going to be taking the Peekaboo Neutral Lip Pencil from NYX. For the liquid lipstick lip stain, I'm going to be taking the lip tint from Stylenanda 3CE in the shade Nude and Dear. And then for gloss, I said it so sassy. Okay, need to chill. I just love gloss, okay? I'm going to be taking Pale Fire Nectar from the one and only Pat McGrath. And this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I wish you guys a happy Valentine's Day, whether you guys are single, or you guys are taken, or you guys are in, like, you know, a relationship where it's complicated, friends with benefits. I don't know. I'm single. So, happy Valentine's Day to me with this look, and happy Valentine's Day to you guys. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.